Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a Mercury 2001 115 ELPTO. This is a remote. Came back 150 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. New spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and fuel system was cleaned. And this is a 20-inch shaft. We'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Once we get it fired up, we'll turn the fan on. Got it pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Get the fan shut off here real quick. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888. Otherwise, you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you.